As the narrowest and southernmost country in Central America, Panama is a bridge to South America. It is bordered to the northwest by Costa Rica and to the southeast by Colombia. Panama is an isthmus, a narrow strip of land surrounded by water that connects two larger land areas. The Pacific Ocean lies to the southwest, the Caribbean Sea to the northeast. Notice that Panama is shaped like the letter S. Dense rainforests thrive in Panama's tropical climate. This region in the southeast of Panama is known as the Darien. It is the largest rainforest in Central America. Visit this humid region of thick vegetation and you enter the domain of boa constrictors, two-toed sloths, and ocelots. Thousands of other species of plants and animals inhabit the rainforest. For the people who live here, having a machete comes in handy. It's the only way to cut a trail through the dense growth. It may be difficult for humans to survive in the sticky, hot, bug-infested forests of Panama, but many plants and animals thrive here. Thousands of species exist nowhere else in the world. But much of this forest is disappearing because people are clearing the trees for logging, mining, and subsistence farming. Cutting down forests is called deforestation, and in Panama, it is taking place at a rapid rate. To try to protect the forests, Panama's government has created national parks. Cutting down trees is not permitted in these areas. Without protection, many species of plants and animals become endangered. Clearing forests and cutting down trees was necessary for one of the greatest feats of engineering. The Panama Canal took nearly 10 years to build, cost millions of dollars, and took the lives of thousands of workers. A canal is a man-made waterway used for navigation or irrigation. A system of locks controls the water levels of the canal to allow ships to pass through. A lock is an enclosure made of concrete walls with steel gates that rise and lower water levels to allow boats to pass from level to level. The builders dug the canal through the isthmus. Instead of traveling around the tip of South America, ships used this passageway as a shorter route to transport goods all over the world. The canal forever changed the route for ships trying to pass from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean, altering the landscape for the Panama Canal, and clear-cutting trees for logging, mining, and farming have benefited Panama economically, but sometimes at the expense of the environment. Restricting deforestation will help to protect the species of plants and animals living in the rainforest.